Hey, my name is Adam Shelton, and I want to do my video testimonial for Heal. Stephen Munson, wherever you are right now, I hope you're watching this video testimonial because I want to give you props on your entire team of Heal of creating this movement that is bringing people in masses. Now, before Heal, yes, I was just trying to discover something. Yes, before Heal, I was looking for something to be a part of that can really challenge me. That really, if I could be a part of a movement. And just recently, I got a t-shirt from Heal. So check this out. I got a shirt from Stephen Munson, Heal shirt. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this shirt up and I'm gonna try it on to be officially part of Heal in terms of actually gear. So here we go. Here's a Heal shirt. I'm gonna show you this right now. Check this out. Got Heal, look at that. Heal shirt. Brand new shirt right out of the box, right? So I'm gonna put this shirt on because I'm gonna be part of Heal and I want you to be part of Heal as well. Be part of the movement. So check this out. Right here live. Check it out. They got Heal shirt on. Live here in Florida. Look at that. Heal, heal. We're all healed out today because I feel something really special. When I woke up this morning, my head was hurting, my throat was hurting, even my stomach was hurting. But you know what? I started to really believe in myself. In terms of being a part of the community of Heal, what that does, it excites you. I enjoy the content. I enjoy the movement. Be a part of the movement. Be part of something special in terms of Heal. Get the t-shirt. Look at that shirt right here. Be part of the Heal movement. I'm so excited to be part of this movement, this company, this brand, and everything like that because I was discovering something before Heal, and now I feel alive. I feel alive, and guess what? I actually got another shirt from my wife because, she's going to be part of the Heal movement, and I want you to be part of the Heal movement. So thank you, Stephen Munson, the Munson brothers, the entire team of Heal. I'm so excited, and let's go ahead and crush it next year and bringing more people to Heal. Thank you very much, and have a good day.